Welcome to Madison's Nature Adventure.
Hey guys, so today we are going to be making bird feeders out of things we got at home, like milk cartons, and we got popsicle sticks.
So what you need is a milk carton, some type of utensil, Sharpie, and some scissors and paint if you want. And so what you want to do is take your stencil and put it on the milk carton and trace it with a Sharpie. And you want to do it on all sides.
Okay, so we've cut out all the holes. Now it's time to paint. Stripping.
Okay, how's it going, guys?
Awesome!
Kinda.
Kinda. Okay.
I've been overlapping it.
Look who decided to join our crafts. The baby praying mantis.
So while this one is drying, we're gonna make our popsicle one. Now what you gotta do, get your popsicle sticks, and then you can make this bird house however you want.
After your paint is dried, you need to poke a hole.
And now what you wanna do, get ribbon or anything you can find around the house that's like a string or something, and make sure that you have about half of a centimeter wide of a hole, and put your ribbon through. And tie a double knot is what I suggest. You can tie whatever you want. You just tie it around the tree trunk like that.
Okay, next, paint your other bird feeder if you want to paint this one. If you don't have to. And now, we are going to put our bird seed in and then we're going to hang it up.
And then you're all done. Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and join our adventure team by clicking the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. We'll see you on the next adventure.